Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A6c smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pattern, please try again. You can see incorrect pattern, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together. Just press and hold it, do not release. And when the OPPO logo appears, after 1 to 2 seconds, release it. And you can see no command. Now here, press the power and volume up button. And it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory set and confirm. And guys, here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All stored data on this device will be deleted. Go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A6c smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.